Hi friends, my name is Javid and today we are going to discuss about the DDA algorithm. It means Digital Differential Analyzer algorithm. Here I am taking one example of it. Endpoints are given 0, 0 and 4, 3. It's a line algorithm which represent a line and find its raster location. So we need to find out certain points on a raster location. Okay. How to find out the answer? Generally, I am taking this procedure to make the example very easier, to understand the algorithm very easily. That what it requires 4 columns. First one is iteration, second x dash, y dash and raster location. So the first iteration is very special case in which the x1 is incremented by plus 0.5 and y1 is also incremented by plus 0.5, which is mentioned here. The first iteration. Okay, so first iteration, it means the x1 means 0 and y1 means 0. What is 4 and 3? x2 and y2. So 0 is incremented by 0.5 and also the y1 is incremented by 0.5. So first position is 0, 0. Why it is 0, 0? Because up to 0.5 the value is lower one and after 0.5 the value will be the higher one. It means if here it is written 0.51, so we need to write down in case of raster location 1, 0. Okay. But here it is 0 plus 0.5 and 0 plus 0.5. Okay. The second iteration onwards, the x value will be taken as this one and y value will be taken as this one, and there will be x plus dx and y plus dy. So what is x and y here? X and y value is the iteration 1 value. Whatever will be the value of x dash in iteration 1, that will be considered here as x, and whatever will be the value of y dash in iteration 1, that will be considered as a y here. So generally the question asked is what is dx and what is dy. So let's see, the dx is equal to x2 minus x1 divided by L and dy is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by L, where x2 means 4, x1 means 0, y2 means 3, y1 means 0. That is understood. But what is L? L is length, and how to define the length? For that purpose we need to check this condition. If the x2 minus x1 is greater than the y2 minus y1, then L will be x2 minus x1. And if the y2 minus y1 is greater than x2 minus x1, then length will be the y2 minus y1. Okay. So here x2 minus x1 means 4 minus 0 is equal to 4 and y2 minus y1 is equal to 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. So x2 minus x1 is greater than y2 minus y1, and that's why length is equal to 4. Now as we are knowing the length, we are able to find out the value of dx and dy, and we are able to find out the second iteration also. So here it is 0.5. What is the value of dx? 1. That means in the second iteration what we need to do? X plus dx, where x is equal to 0.5 plus dx is equal to 1, so it will be 1.5. And in case of second iteration, y value, y plus dy, where y is equal to 0.5 from this equation and dy value is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by L, it means 0.05, it means 3 minus 0 divided by 4. So 3 by 4 is equal to 0.75. So 0.75 plus 0.75, it means 1.25. Here it is value 1.5, means the raster location will be 1. And here it is 1.25, it means also the raster location is 1. In the same manner, now x becomes the second iteration and y becomes the second iteration. And we need to find out the next value in case of third iteration, which is x plus dx. That means 1.5 plus 1 is equal to 2.5 and 1.25 plus 0.75 y plus dy is equal to 2. So now the value of raster location will be 2 and 2 also. The third one is the x and y value will be this one, and we need to find out the iteration of the fourth one. The x and y value will be the above one. In the same manner, up to 0.43, because it is the last point of the DDA algorithm. Now, what it interpret? What this raster location interpreted? The raster location interpreted in this manner. The whole display is prepared with the sum of the pixels, and in order to highlight which pixels, this algorithm will be utilized. So the display in which the first 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 and 4, 3 points are going to be highlighted. This algorithm is utilized in order to draw a line on a display. Thank you very much. Do subscribe.